Everyone, welcome back to day 29 of our 30-day Python series. I'm Umi Asfa and today we will explore one of the most powerful data visualization libraries in Python. Okay, for what's this? So what is Seaborn? Seaborn is a Python data visualization library based on the Matplotlib. It provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. Okay, so let's dive in our Jupyter notebook here. If you're using a Google Colab or some different IDE, so here it's very important you have to install the libraries. Okay. So here I'm using a Jupyter notebook, so it's no need of installing the library here. We'll just directly import it. Import C1 as SNS. Okay. Then import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay. Import pandas as pd. Here we go. Let us run here. Okay, so it's here. The Seaborn comes with built-in data set, so you can load and explore them here. Let me just show you how you can do that. All right. So here df equals sns dot load underscore data set tips. Okay, let's run here. So now let us call our, so now if you want to see the data set, what you can do here is you can use a print command, print df, uh, print df dot head. Here we go. So here we got the output here. Okay, so the first five you can see here. Now if you want to see the last five, here you can use a df dot tail. All right. Then after that, let us start with plotting the plots here. All right. So what am I gonna do here is here I will be writing SNS dot scatter scatter plot x equals total bill. Okay, so the same thing here we can give it control V, comma y equals, let me use a tip here, control C and y control V, comma. Then after that, data equals df. Okay, let me close it. plt dot show. Here we go. So here you can see that the scatter plot has been you can see the scatter plot here. Now, if you want to give it a title also, plt dot anything you can give it, any title. So here I can give it here total total will vs tip. Okay, and you can see the title as well here. Okay, so this we can give it at this place here. Let us see. Control V. Yes. So see here, total bill vs depth. So always you have to write it above the show. Okay, so if you give it a show here, it means that it has to show. So here, as you can see, the code will be executed from top to bottom, not from bottom to the top. Okay, from top to bottom here. All right, and we got the title as well. Now we'll move on to our next plot here. That is SNS dot line plot. Okay, SNS dot line plot. Here we go. What am I gonna do here is I'll just copy the same thing, and here I will be giving control V, but instead of a total bill, I can give, let us give us sex. Okay, here we go, maybe count instead of equals. Yes, so here this is a line plot. So a line plot is very important while you are if you want to show the trends in the pattern. Okay, then after that we have a bar plot. So SNS dot bar plot, here we go. Then plt dot show. So now you will be able to see the bar plot here. This might take a time here. See, it's loaded now. So these are the bar plots you see here. Okay, that's just a symbol I'm showing, but in the day 30, I'll be giving the entire visualization. Okay. Then next we have a box plot. SNS dot box plot plt show. Okay, so here you will be able to see the box plot here. All right, so see, these are the box plots. So the that's a wrap on Seaborn, a powerful way to create beautiful and insightful plots with just a few lines of code. Practice these plots with your own data set to truly master them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for day 30, the final episode of our Python series. Comment below if you want a dedicated video on advanced Seaborn techniques or customizing plots. See you tomorrow.